What's up guys, it's the Gear Change here, back with another video. Today I will be installing some side park LED lights from iilumo.
Whether it's to upgrade lighting for unrivaled performance or to add a personal touch, with their range of available custom options, iilumo are your specialists. This video is not sponsored at all, just love their products and their amazing customer service. As you can see here on the website, they have LED globes for low, high and fogs, sequential mirror lights, indicator bulbs, reverse bulbs, LED tail and brake light bulbs. They also do custom headlight assemblies and tail light assemblies along with dash cam installs. Be sure to check them out at iilumo on Instagram.
Got them right here in the little case. They are the T10 globes, right there. Hopefully the camera focuses up on that. I'm just going to be installing them today. Ordered and have received some little LED angel eye fog lights that I have to install and wire up from last time. The only other difference on the XR5 is I managed to get myself a set of RS rear tail lights. Only available on the RS here in Australia, in UK and the rest of Europe. They came with these LEDs on the ST3, so very hard to find. So glad I got them. They look wicked of a nighttime. I'll have to do a little showcase on them for another video, but yeah, let's get to it. So as you guys can see here, this is the factory globe. It's a halogen globe, so it's not as bright as what an LED will be after I put the new ones in. Does the job, but obviously I want to convert all of the globes in these current headlights to LEDs. Focus up there. So yeah, that's the plan for today. So I'll show you guys the process in which I do that. Alright, so the first step is to take out this little Torx bit here that's held up the top with this bracket. I just used a flathead screwdriver that was wide enough to get into the spot, and you've got this tab right here and a secondary one. Camera's struggling to pick it up. We'll see if I can get the torch. Right there. So once you push those two tabs, the headlight will come loose and come out. So I'll just get that to focus. And then you'll be able to get access in behind here to the light socket. Okay, so the next tricky step is to pull this little plastic long nose slip with the globe inside of it out of its socket. There is a little rubber piece that covers it, so you just push that up and you'll see directly into this little, it's not coming up, hold up, there you go. Socket hole is where it sits inside of there. Now to replace the globe and test it to make sure it works. Okay, so I've gotten one of the T10 globes, taken it out and popped it in the socket. Now I'll just go to the car, turn them on, and there she is. Super duper bright. So it's the same process for the opposite side. Just gonna try and pop this back in and do it to the other one, and then I'll show you guys the final result. Okay, so here's a side-by-side difference. As you can see, the LED is extremely bright on this side. Over to this one, and this one not so much. So just got to repeat the same process on this side, and then I'll do a little video at the end showing you guys what the difference is and how much better they look. Sorry if the camera's a bit glary with the new LEDs. Same process to put it back in. Sorry if I got to record, it was getting late, so I didn't want to stuff it up, and I wanted to make sure I got the headlights back in. Just those two clips. You line it up and then you can just slide it in and they pop into place, and then you obviously put the Torx bit screw on the very top. So much better now of a night time for driving. I'll have to give them a proper test on, but here's the other side. So pretty easy system, just twisting them in place, and that's, you know, as easy as it is. Just wanted to quickly show you guys the new tail lights. A bit hard to see of a night time, but that's them there. Managed to get this off of a stage 4 XR5 in Melbourne. Guy was selling the car fully kitted out, and I noticed these tail lights. I've always wanted them for my XR5. messaged him out of nowhere and just said, hey, if you don't sell the car, would you be willing to part ways with the tail lights, as I really want them? And luckily enough, he said yep. Sold them to me, got them shipped up all in one piece for both of them. All I had to do was wire them up quickly through the boot, which wasn't too much of a tricky task. Only took a couple minutes, so I didn't think a video was worth recording on that. But yeah, stoked with these. Other than that, got more content on the way, just trying to figure out meets to attend and parts to buy and parts to install for videos, trying to make it as exciting as possible and always make sure the videos are good and people like them. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.